Hey everyone, it's Abdul here, and listen, I know what you're thinking. Another travel hack video? Trust me on this one. We're taking the stale, the played out, and completely reinventing the game. We're diving deep into the trenches, unearthing 20 battle-tested airport hacks that'll have you navigating those terminals like a seasoned pro. We're talking about the kind of intel that turns a stressful, chaotic travel day into, dare I say, enjoyable. Yeah, enjoyable. We're going to be talking about maximizing your time, your money, and your sanity. No more scrambling for chargers, no more outrageous airport prices, no more of the usual travel nightmares. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to conquer the airport like never before. Let's do this! Look, I know. Waking up at the crack of dawn isn't exactly anyone's idea of a good time, but trust me when I say, arriving early is your secret weapon. We're not talking about just showing up when they tell you to. We're talking about giving yourself time to breathe, time to strategize, time to conquer. Because here's the thing, airports are unpredictable, security lines can snake around corners, gates change at the drop of a hat, and delays, don't even get me started. But when you arrive early, you're not just beating the clock, you're in control. You've got the luxury of strolling through security, grabbing a coffee, and actually finding your gate without breaking a sweat. Arriving early is like giving yourself a travel insurance policy against stress. It's an investment in peace of mind, and that, my friends, is priceless. Let's be real, paper boarding passes, they're so 2005, fumbling through your carry-on, desperately trying to find that crumpled piece of paper while juggling your coffee and your sanity. We've all been there, but guess what? Those days are over. Enter the mobile boarding pass. It's sleek, it's efficient, and it lives right on your phone. No more printing, no more frantic searching, just pure, unadulterated convenience. Plus, it's one less thing to lose. We're all about minimizing stress here. And the mobile boarding pass is a one-way ticket to travel zen. Download your airline's app, check in online, and boom. Your boarding pass is right there, ready to go. It's like having a VIP pass to a smoother, more organized travel experience. We all know staying hydrated is key, especially when you're traveling. But let's be honest, those airport prices for a bottle of water? Criminal. They're practically asking you to take out a second mortgage just to quench your thirst. But fear not, my friends, because I've got a solution, the reusable water bottle. This, my friends, is a game changer. Bring your own empty bottle through security, and then once you're on the other side, fill it up at a water fountain. You'll be saving money and reducing plastic waste. It's a win-win. So ditch the overpriced airport drinks and invest in a reusable bottle. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Alright, let's talk shoes, specifically the magic of slip-on shoes for airport navigation. We've all been stuck behind that person in the security line, painstakingly untying their laces, struggling to get their boots off. Don't be that person. Slip-on shoes are your secret weapon for breezing through security. Think about it. You slide them off, you slide them back on. No bending over, no untying, no fuss. It's the epitome of efficiency. Plus, they're comfortable. It's like walking on a cloud that gets you through security in record time. So ditch the laces, embrace the slip-on. Your feet will thank you, and you'll be one step ahead in the airport game. Picture this. You're about to board a long-haul flight. You reach for your phone to download that last-minute podcast, and it dies. Dead battery. No entertainment, no communication, just you and the existential dread of a silent flight. We've all been there. But fear not, my friends, because I've got the ultimate travel companion, the portable charger. This, my friends, is your lifeline, your connection to the outside world. A good portable charger will keep your phone, your headphones, your tablet, everything, juiced up and ready to go, no matter how long the flight. So don't get caught in the digital dark. Invest in a reliable portable charger, and keep the power in your hands. In-flight Wi-Fi? Please. We all know that's a gamble you don't want to take. The last thing you want is to be stuck between countries, staring at a buffering screen, praying for the internet gods to have mercy. That's why, my friends, you download your entertainment before you even leave the house. Movies, TV shows, podcasts, audiobooks, whatever your poison, get it downloaded and ready to go. Create your own personal entertainment oasis, a world where buffering doesn't exist and boredom trembles in fear. It's all about being proactive, about taking control of your entertainment destiny. So ditch the Wi-Fi woes and download. Listen, If you're a frequent flyer, and I mean frequent, then TSA pre-check is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Imagine this. Instead of battling the masses in the regular security line, you get to waltz through a much shorter, faster-moving line. You don't have to take off your shoes, you get to keep your laptop tucked safely in your bag. It's like the VIP experience of airport security. Yeah, it costs a bit up front, but the time and stress you save, priceless. Plus, think of it this way. The less time you spend in line, the more time you have to explore the airport, grab a coffee, maybe even have a mini adventure. So, do yourself a favor, sign up for TSA PreCheck. Your future self will thank you. We've all been there, standing at the baggage carousel, watching an endless sea of identical black suitcases go by. It's like a game of luggage roulette, and no one wants to be stuck playing for longer than necessary. That's where the power of marking your luggage comes in. A simple ribbon, a brightly colored luggage tag, a sticker of your cat wearing a tiny hat, whatever speaks to your soul, make it yours. When your bag comes rolling out on that carousel, you'll know it instantly. No more second guessing, no more awkward suitcase swaps, just you, your uniquely identified luggage, and the sweet, sweet feeling of victory. Alright, let's talk check-in. More specifically, the beauty of checking in online. Because let's be real, who actually enjoys waiting in those long, winding check-in lines at the airport? It's like standing in line for a stress factory. Skip the line entirely by checking in online. You can do it from your phone, your laptop, even your smart toaster. Okay, maybe not the toaster, but you get the point. You'll get your boarding pass, choose your seat, and breeze past the check-in counter like a boss. It's a simple, time-saving hack that makes a world of difference. So ditch the lines, embrace the digital age, and check in online. Airports are like labyrinths, designed to confuse and disorient even the most seasoned traveler. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to give you the key to airport mastery. Know your terminal. Before you even leave for the airport, study the layout. Familiarize yourself with the gates, the security checkpoints, the nearest coffee shops, priorities, people. Knowing where you're going is like having a superpower. It's the difference between a frantic sprint to your gate and a leisurely stroll. So do your homework, study the map, and become an airport navigator extraordinaire. Let's be real. Airport food is a dangerous game. It's overpriced, often underwhelming, and let's not even talk about the lack of healthy options. But you know what's even more dangerous? Traveling on an empty stomach. That's why, my friends, you pack your own snacks. Trail mix, granola bars, fruit, nuts, whatever fuels your journey, bring it with you. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have control over what you eat. It's a win-win for your wallet and your well-being. So ditch the overpriced airport snacks and pack your own culinary delights. Listen, I know airport lounges have a certain reputation, exclusive, expensive, reserved for the jet-setting elite. But here's the thing, they don't have to be. Many lounges offer day passes, and some credit cards even give you access. And trust me, once you've experienced the serenity of an airport lounge, you'll never want to go back to the chaos of the main terminal. Comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, complimentary snacks and drinks. It's like a mini vacation within your vacation. So check your options, see if you can snag a day pass, and treat yourself to a little airport luxury. Imagine this, you're at the security checkpoint, the line is moving, you reach into your bag for your passport and boarding pass, and they're not there. Panic sets in, you're frantically digging through your backpack, sweating, stressed, and holding up the line. Don't be that person, keep your essentials, passport, boarding pass, phone, Sanity, easily accessible. Invest in a travel wallet, designate a specific pocket in your carry-on, just make sure you know exactly where those crucial documents are at all times. It's all about minimizing stress and maximizing efficiency. So keep your essentials handy and sail through those checkpoints with confidence. Listen, I get it. We all want to look good even when we're traveling. But you know what's more important than looking good? Feeling good. And that means prioritizing comfort. Ditch the tight jeans, the restrictive tops, the shoes that pinch. Embrace loose-fitting clothing, breathable fabrics, and comfortable shoes. Trust me, your body will thank you, especially after a long flight. Remember, you're traveling, not walking a runway, so dress for comfort and enjoy the journey. Airports are loud, planes are even louder. Crying babies, chatty neighbors, the constant hum of engines. It's enough to make anyone crave a little peace and quiet. Enter noise-canceling headphones. These, my friends, are your secret weapon against the auditory assault of air travel. They block out distractions, creating a sanctuary of sound where you can relax, listen to your favorite music, or lose yourself in a podcast. It's like having your own personal soundtrack to Serenity. So invest in a good pair of noise-canceling headphones and drown out the world. I've got one word for you: neck pain. We've all been there, waking up after a long flight with a crick in our neck, wondering if we left our spine somewhere over the Atlantic. But fear not, my friends, because I've got the solution: the travel pillow. A good travel pillow is like a hug for your neck, providing support and comfort on even the bumpiest of flights. It's the difference between arriving at your destination refreshed and ready to explore, or feeling like you need a chiropractor appointment. So invest in a travel pillow that speaks to your soul. Your neck will thank you. Delays happen, gates change, flights get cancelled. It's the unfortunate reality of air travel. But you know what's worse than a flight disruption? Being caught off guard by it. That's why, my friends, you stay updated. Download your airline's app, sign up for text alerts, keep an eye on the departure boards. Knowledge is power, and in the world of air travel, it's the key to staying ahead of the game. So be proactive, stay informed, and become a master of your flight destiny. We've all been there, standing at the check-in counter, sweat dripping down our foreheads as the luggage scale mercilessly reveals the truth. Our bag is overweight. Cue the panic, the frantic repacking, the shame of having to rummage through our belongings in public. But fear not, my friends, because I've got the solution: the luggage scale. This little device is your secret weapon against those dreaded overweight baggage fees. Weigh your bag at home before you leave and avoid the stress, the embarrassment, and the hefty fees. It's a simple, affordable investment that will save you a world of trouble. So ditch the guesswork, embrace the power of the luggage scale, and travel with peace of mind. Listen, I'm not trying to jinx you here, but sometimes things happen. Flights get delayed, luggage gets lost, coffee spills happen at the most inopportune moments. And you know what's worse than experiencing a travel mishap? Being stuck in the same clothes for days on end. That's why, my friends, you always pack a change of clothes in your carry-on. A fresh t-shirt, a clean pair of underwear, maybe even a spare pair of socks, just enough to get you through a minor travel hiccup without feeling like you've been living in the same outfit for a week. It's all about being prepared, about having a backup plan for when life throws you a curveball. So pack that change of clothes and travel with peace of mind. Alright, let's be real, traveling can be stressful. Lines are long, flights are delayed, and everyone's just a little on edge. But you know what makes a world of difference in those situations? Kindness. A simple smile, a please, a thank you. It goes a long way. Treat airport staff with respect, be patient with your fellow travelers, and remember that we're all in this together. You'd be surprised how far a little kindness can go in diffusing a stressful situation and making the travel experience more enjoyable for everyone. So ditch the attitude, embrace the power of politeness, and spread a little kindness wherever you go. So there you have it, my friends. 20 battle-tested airport travel hacks that will transform your next trip. Remember, traveling doesn't have to be a stressful ordeal. With a little planning, a touch of ingenuity, and a whole lot of confidence, you can conquer those terminals like a seasoned pro. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to airport travel hacks? Share your wisdom in the comments below, and let's build a community of savvy, stress-free travelers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Safe travels.